Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best HEPA filters is probably one of the most crucial components for maintaining a truly clean and allergen-free home, especially if you or your family suffer from allergies or asthma. These specialized filters are engineered to capture microscopic particles, from pet dander and dust mites to pollen and mold spores, ensuring that the air expelled from your vacuum is significantly cleaner than the air it takes in, making a tangible difference in your indoor air quality and overall well-being. Number 5. Shark Navigator Lift-Away NV352 Upright Vacuum. Experience strong multi-surface suction that effortlessly cleans both carpets and hard floors. This lightweight vacuum lifts dirt, debris, and pet hair, ensuring a complete clean throughout your home. Easily detach its pod for convenient above-floor cleaning. You can use it to tackle stairs, furniture, and upholstery, reaching every nook and cranny with specialized tools. It's perfect for homes with pets, effortlessly removing stubborn pet hair from carpets, furniture, and stairs. Its powerful suction and wide upholstery tool make everyday messes disappear. Equipped with advanced HEPA filter technology and an anti-allergen complete seal, it traps dust and allergens inside. This helps to deliver a significantly cleaner and healthier home environment for you and your family. Navigate around furniture, into tight spaces, and through corners with incredible ease. Its smooth swivel steering provides effortless control, making cleaning less of a chore. What we like? This vacuum offers incredible versatility with its lift-away feature. If you need to clean stairs, upholstery, or tight spaces, its detachable pod makes it incredibly convenient. Its ability to transform from an upright to a portable cleaner makes it perfect for a whole home deep clean. What people say. No review content was provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no helpful product points could be extracted as per the instructions. Number 4. Shark Navigator Rotator Pet Pro Vacuum Filter Replacement Kit. Is your Shark vacuum losing its edge? This replacement filter kit is specifically designed for Shark Navigator and Rotator Pet Pro models, ensuring a perfect fit and renewed performance. It's compatible with ZU62, ZU60, NV255, NV150, NV251, and NV151 series. Inside this package, you'll find everything you need to refresh your vacuum's filtration system. It includes 2 H12 efficiency HEPA filters, 4 high-density foam filters, and 4 textured felt filters. Crafted from high-strength, eco-friendly materials, these filters are built to last. They work together to significantly improve your vacuum's cleaning performance and restore its powerful suction. Designed for convenience, these replacement filters are fully washable and reusable. Simply hand wash them in water and allow them to air dry completely before placing them back into your vacuum. To ensure your Shark vacuum operates at its best and extends its lifespan, regular filter replacement is key. We recommend changing the foam and felt filters every 3 months, and the HEPA filter every 6 months. Have questions or need assistance? Our dedicated customer service team is here to help. We are committed to providing prompt support and will resolve any issues within 24 hours. What we like? These replacement filters are designed to maintain your vacuum's peak performance. If you are looking for an eco-friendly and cost-effective solution, their washable and reusable design is a huge plus. They ensure your vacuum continues to capture allergens effectively, keeping your home cleaner. What people say. Number 3. Eureka RapidClean Ultra NEC 370GR Moss Green. Weighing just 5.5 pounds, this vacuum is incredibly easy to lift for all your above-floor cleaning tasks. Its robust 300W motor delivers powerful suction, effortlessly tackling daily messes and high-traffic areas. Enjoy up to 40 minutes of continuous cleaning on a single charge. Its detachable battery ensures long-lasting operation, so you can clean your entire home without interruption. This vacuum features an innovative 5-stage cyclone filtration system. Equipped with a HEPA filter, it efficiently separates and captures even the smallest dust particles, ensuring cleaner air. A smart LED display shows the real-time battery level, keeping you informed. You can effortlessly switch between 3 cleaning modes with just a fingertip, adapting to any cleaning challenge. Its low-profile design and 180-degree rotatable floor brush make cleaning under furniture a breeze. You can easily maneuver it around obstacles and tight spaces for a thorough clean. It comes with convenient accessory attachments, including an upgraded nozzle, crevice tool, and a 2-in-1 furniture brush. These tools allow you to easily clean various surfaces, from hard floors and carpets to pet hair. What we like. This cordless stick vacuum offers exceptional freedom and portability. If you value quick, hassle-free cleaning without being tethered to an outlet, its long 40-minute runtime is ideal. Its lightweight design and powerful suction make it perfect for daily messes on both hard floors and carpets. What people say. No positive reviews found in the provided source. Please provide product reviews to extract points. Number 2. KEEPOW CF1 Hepa filter for Kenmore and Panasonic vacuums. These filters are designed to fit a wide range of Kenmore Sears Progressive, Whisper Tone, and Panasonic vacuum models. They ensure your vacuum continues to perform optimally across various popular series. Specifically, they are compatible with numerous Kenmore models, including the 200, 400, 600, 700, and 800 series. They also fit pop-and-go models, ensuring a perfect match for your appliance. These replacements are designed to seamlessly replace various original filters, such as 20 to 86,883, 8175084, and CF1. This makes finding the right filter for your vacuum simple and convenient. Equipped with advanced HEPA media, they capture an impressive 99.97% of dust and debris, even particles as tiny as 0.3 microns. Experience a noticeably cleaner home, free from pet hair, dust, and dirt. To maintain peak vacuum performance, it's recommended to replace them every 2 to 3 months, or based on your usage. This simple step ensures powerful, long-lasting suction and optimal cleaning efficiency. This value pack offers filters that are washable and reusable, providing multiple uses after thorough drying. With 10 filters included, you'll have a year's supply, saving both time and money while reducing waste. What we like. These replacement filters boast superior filtration, capturing 99.97% of tiny particles. If you have allergies or want the cleanest air possible, their high efficiency ensures dust and allergens are trapped. The generous 10-pack offers incredible value, providing a year's supply of fresh filters. What people say. Number 1. Eureka PowerSpeed Upright Vacuum Cleaner. Introducing the new standard in home cleaning. This powerful upright vacuum is designed to tackle dirt and debris on both carpets and hard floors with ease. It features an upgraded cyclone system, engineered to handle everything from large debris to microscopic dust particles. This ensures a thorough and efficient clean every time. Experience powerful pickup that penetrates deep into carpets, extracting embedded dirt and dust. Despite its robust performance, it remains remarkably lightweight, making cleaning less of a chore. With 5 height settings, it seamlessly transitions between carpets, shag rugs, and hard floors. Its smooth rolling wheels protect your hardwood surfaces from scratches. It comes with multiple accessories, including a quick-release handle, crevice tool, dusting brush, and upholstery tool. These are conveniently stored on board, ready for above-floor cleaning in hard-to-reach areas. This vacuum traps an impressive 99.9% of dust, dander, and allergens. It helps create a healthier environment for you and your family. To ensure optimal performance, we recommend regular cleaning of its roller brush and belt. This simple step helps prevent clogs and maintains its powerful suction for years to come. What we like. This upright vacuum delivers powerful pickup, tackling embedded dirt with ease. If you have a mix of carpet and hard floors, its 5 height settings allow for seamless transitions and optimal cleaning. Its upgraded cyclone system ensures it handles everything from large debris to microscopic dust, making it a versatile choice for any home. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.